Steve, thank you for joining us today.
Pleasure, Scott.
We're at the One-to-One Mining Conference today. Obviously, we've spoken before, but just remind us a little bit more about the company.
Sure. Caledonia Mining owns the Blanket mine in Zimbabwe, gold mine. We're a 49% shareholder because the Blanket mine is a fully indigenized mine under the previous laws of the country. And as watchers may remember, the new president has changed the indigenization structure in Zim, and gold miners like ourselves can now own 100% of the mine. So it's a very interesting change. It's a demonstration that Zimbabwe is open for business, and we're going to hopefully take advantage of the fact that we can purchase back a majority interest in the gold mine and continue with the progress that we're making.
So that must be a really confidence booster for yourselves with regards to the fact that Zimbabwe is open for mining and progressing like that. What's the sort of next 6 to 12 months hold for you outside that?
Well, we're continuing to do our Central Shaft project, and that is advancing well. We're more than halfway through the project in terms of time, and we are at a depth of nearly 1 kilometre deep. We are starting to do the development underneath the operating gold mine below 750 metre level. So we have got a lot on our hands in terms of normal day-to-day mining, with a target for this year of 55 to 59,000 ounces, slightly more than last year. Still using the old infrastructure, and we've got the big project of sinking the shaft and building the new mine. So we're busy.
And how do you feel the confidence is in the gold sector at the moment?
Well, I think the gold price has been good. We've just put out our Q1 results, and we benefited from a higher average gold price. So for us, receiving the gold in dollars and incurring most of our costs in dollars, we're in a good space. Gold has been a bit weaker this week, and so it is still volatile to some of the international moves that are taking place. But at these levels, Blanket is still well able to fund its projects, and that's really important because this is a self-funded project from revenues generated in Zimbabwe, and we're spending in Zimbabwe. So we're good.
So being a self-generated element, what's the purpose of being at One-to-One?
Well, we listed on AIM, and we have found the One-to-One conference to be a very efficient venue for us to get together in front of investors. And especially with the changes going on in Zim at the moment, there is an enormous amount of interest in the country. And because we are a gold play, and we're in Zim, and we're investing, and we're growing, because the project is to grow our production to 80,000 ounces by 2021. So this is a very good time for us to be out and about. And we've been busy here, and we look forward to talking to more people who want to hear our story and hear what the potentials are in Zimbabwe.
Super. Well, Steve, thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Scott.